I came to this area this morning to look at this road, which used to have pine trees on either side of it, nice, pristine, thick forest. And I'm amazed to see the human occupation in this area. Just look at the occupiers of this land. They've just come here and set up shack in this wilderness. There's just more and more coming. But interestingly, if you can see in the far distant peaks over there, we've got snow lining the tops of the mountains. That's in late August. Quite interesting. They're chopping down more and more trees to make room for human occupation.